Applied Physical Electronics high-voltage connectors are ideal for most coaxial cables, with female receptacles designed to suit customers' unique applications. Our high-voltage connector feature an indication ring, which is a visible warning that a connection is not made. The indication ring remains visible until electrical and mechanical connection are secured. The collar pulls back, allowing the connector to completely insert. The collar is then released, making a secure electrical and mechanical connection. No partially connected state is possible. The indicator ring provides 100% assurance that the connector is in the connected state. Then the set screw can now be tightened, providing a secondary method for securing the connector. To remove the cable, the set screw is loosened, the collar can be retracted, and the cable can be pulled out.